Hello, how are you everyone? My name is Navy. My last name is Som, Navy Som. I'm comes Som Landscaping Limited Company. All right, so today we're showing another project. It's a brand new house. It's outside. It's already demolition. We already started landscaping. Okay, we will build a brand new garden, brand new design and construction build it. All right. Okay, right now follow me. I will show you how to build the construction, how to build the driveway. This driveway will be heated driveway. We need to do the concrete. Right now we did the framing, and tomorrow we will fill the concrete. Okay, right now I show you. So this is clear gravel for support the concrete base. The concrete base probably it's a 6-inch the concrete base. So we have the framing, okay? And here is the driveway very deep. We're digging the driveway from the garage floor. It's a 22 or 24-inch deep. We have a 6-inch gravel and we have a 6-inch clear gravel. Just a moment, the base, the lowest base is crushed rock. We compact the crushed rock and make very, very stronger. And then we put the 6-inch clear gravel for support the concrete base. And see, from here to here is a 24-inch. See, and also the next one after concrete is right here, 6-inch. 6-inch after 6-inch gravel, we have like a 6-inch the concrete here. And then above the concrete, we have a 3-inch is the insulation and then a heated pipe. And then after insulation, we have a 3-inch above the pipe is concrete again. And then leave the 3-inch, another the top 3-inch is a flat stone. They tried to make the pipe, the heated pipe to the surface as thin as possible to easy to melt the snow and the ice. That is the standard and the professional job. In the building code, you have to leave the tree to the construction 2 meters because we cannot block the water for the tree roots. So here the water is automatic to the street, but here the water is supposed to sink in the ground and watering the tree, not kill the tree. By law, building code, you need like a 2 meters. And right here, this is electrical post. And the building code, we at least like 1 meter away from the electrical city equipment. Okay, we have to leave the 1 meter. So so that's why we have to. The engine's little narrow, little short, and then leave the inspector to pass the inspection. All right, perfect. Okay, so right now here is the right side of the house. This is a side walkway. Will be on the design has a stepping stone, and then with the river rock to fill the stepping stone the gap. And see, right now we can see this is the PVC electrical pipe. Electrical pipe, we will get the power from the inside of the garage. This is the power from the inside the electrical panel. And we connect from here, one pipe running to the backyard, one pipe go forward, go through under the driveway to the front for support the lighting system. And also the heated system is from here, the air conditioner has a heated pipe from the inside the mechanical room. And under the ground here, around like 18-inch, go against the wall to the front of the driveway for supply the heated. Okay, and it goes inside. Here is the fence, is a walkway. Follow me like this, the walkway. And right here is the garden. We were planting some flower, some tree, some like a tulip, whatever. Here is the sunshine area, okay? And the step to here, we have a patio in the backyard, okay? And that corner will be one Japanese maple, the weeping Japanese maple, right in this corner. Just a moment, we come to the side walkway, right side of the house, the walkway. We get in from the front. goes in the back here. See, I show you here is the sprinkler system, the electrical control, the wire right here. And the supplier sprinkler system, the supplier pipe is right here for the sprinkler. And coming in here, that is the generator for the back power to the house. In case sometimes no power, no electrical, so this one will be back up the electrical for the house. And here is the very deep, the basement window wear, very deep, around like 10 feet deep. And then with the concrete, we put the flagstone on for the coping. And then the grading, this I'm working here, the pathway, the grading will be this high, We still have like a 10-inch gravel under the walkway, okay? So let's come to this side. Here will be all the bush, all the flower, nicely garden. And right here is the cedar tree, make the like that, you know, that's a cedar tree, evergreen. Make the green wall here. And the flower against the patio. This area, and right here, nicely weeping Japanese maple here for the like a side walkway view, okay? And right here is the yew, Y-E-W. The yew is evergreen. It will be after 1 year will be this taller. And here will be the yellow grass design. See, this is a landscaping wall. See, nicely landscaping wall here. It's a modern style. This is the landscaping wall. People will put the sofa here for the family room, outdoor family room. People sitting here, enjoy the coffee, enjoy the tea, enjoy the entertainment. Okay. And now let's follow me to here. Hello. Let's continue here. This is a basement workout. From the basement, step up to work out. We already stick on the flagstone on top. This is a modern style, the flagstone. And right here, this side, and this side will be flower garden. It's a nicely flower in the future. We already sprinkler system already inside. And then here will be the nicely statue. We will fill up here like a 2x3, the concrete pad underneath, and then put the statue on here for the decoration in the backyard. And here is nicely plants. And let's talk about some like a backyard lighting system. See, the light will be put on here, the light, and the other side is the same. Light. Everywhere has a lighting system. See, like this. This is the porch. We put the lighting on here. This is a lighting system, and in the future, the backyard at least has 20 to 30 pieces of light, the shining and warm in the backyard. Okay. It will be the barbecue, the cooking area, and this is for the sink, the faucet, the drainage water goes to the underground. Some people they cooking here and the washing hand here has a drainage pipe here, and this is the gas line. We from the house right here. This is the gas line. It's a house, the supply to the outside. We will connect this gas line and the underground to extend it to here. Once you barbecue here, once you're cooking, just turn on the switch, you can get the natural gas. Okay, so here, right here is the spruce. It's a nice big spruce. This tree, cut it. And the nice spruce here. And one more Japanese maple here. Make the balance from once Japanese maple here, once Japanese maple there. And then landscaping, you know, cedar tree behind this Japanese maple. This is all evergreen. And then evergreen cedar tree, flower there, okay? So there's a stone for retaining wall. This retaining wall, the stone we will power wash. Look like dirty, it's not clean, but this stone from the original the garden, long time ago, the house before demolition, the existing garden has this retaining wall there. We reuse that, we not throw away, we not waste the money. But once, now it look like dirty, once we power wash, it's clean, and it will be nicely, natural, okay? This area is the left side of the house, okay? So let me show you something from here. So this is the steps. Get out from the patio door, okay? So we use the wooden framing. Here is the wooden, okay? This is the wooden, but we very, very strongly wooden. And see, this is not wooden, this is a concrete slab. This is a concrete slab, this is, okay? We lay the concrete slab on this porch. People say, oh, this is a stone, nicely, but actually the underneath is the wooden. That's only we can do that. No people use the new technical skill on here. We use a lots of times already. It's permanent because we have a footing underneath. We have a connected foundation wall. Okay, so see, this is the lighting system. We cut the slab, the holes. We'll put the lighting on here, and then the coping cover is a nicely lighting system. This is a slab, a concrete slab. Okay, let's come to here. This is also the basement workout. Oh no, not basement wall. This is the basement window well, 10 feet deep. And the concrete wall up, flagstone on top. Our the grading will be same this high, the walkway, all the stepping stone to the front. The grading is this high, okay? And this area, some nicely flower, and this area, nicely tree. Okay, let's show off here. That is specialized. See, this house here is a window view here, big window here, big window here. So that's why here we design a red beach. Red beach doesn't need too much sun, but it stay here. The red color, very taller, like a 20 feet taller. And then for this window, the view. So okay, that is a special design. And also sprinkler system here, just for the one tree. Keep the life the tree, okay? And then now we almost the end of the showing. We already from the front to the right side of the house to the back here, come to here the left side, and out here. We almost like final this time the showing. So this is also the big window well here. We use a flagstone on top, and this is the gas meter. So before the design is the fence gate will be here. Fence gate here, the problem is, see here has a 2 posts here. If we put the 2 posts here, will be not nice the window view from people sitting in the living room here, see the post here. So that's why we move the gate, goes inside. Put this area. This is the gate. This is the house wall. People sitting inside. You won't see that, and it will be nicely fence covered. Let's show off the fence. This fence will not use the fence border. We use the deck floor border. It's a very strong and a little hard. So and the enclosed, no gap on. So this is a very expensive one. And we use the 6x6 the post. See, very strong and tough. All right. Okay. Thank you very much. Today we finished the showing. So let's see next time. Okay. Bye bye.